Good morning, everyone. Today is the start of Advent season, a precious time for us to pause in silence, ask for God to help us in our reflection, and to have time in prayer, seeking always God's guidance. Our readings for today's first Sunday of Advent is about love of God sealed in His promise. Prophet Jeremiah, in our first reading, speaks of a promise that God wants to fulfill to His people, chosen people in Israel. It is a promise that God keeps even in their sinfulness, even in their weaknesses, even in their bad deeds, but God's love for them is great. The fulfillment of God's promise is Jesus Christ, the one who conquered sin and death. In Jesus, we are reconciled with God. We now experience the power of God's love who accompanies us in our journey. Saint Paul, in our second reading, reminds us that as believers of God and followers of Jesus Christ, we need to live a life that God wants for us. The same message in our gospel, that God wants us to trust Him all the time, to trust Him every day. If we have faith in God, whatever happen tomorrow, the next day, the next year, even in times of trouble, in times of difficulties, in times when we don't know what will happen, always remember, if we have faith in God, as what our gospel today, we will not be afraid. So in this season of Advent, we need to remember the power of God's promise fulfilled in Jesus Christ. This is the heart of the message in our celebration today. May all of us have time to reflect, have time to pray, and offer our hearts to God so that we will have a good preparation for His coming into our lives, into our hearts. God bless us